Okay, you want college credit quickly and inexpensively, but it can be really hard to get upper level credits. What I mean by that is like advanced college classes in the 300 and 400 level that there's not a lot of Sophias that are going to get you. There's not a lot of CLEPs that are going to get you those. And so you need these credits from somewhere. Otherwise, you're going to be paying top dollar and taking forever at an online institution to be able to earn these credits. Thankfully, there is a way that works so well to get these credits. You're going to be amazed by Study.com. They have over 220 college courses to choose from, and currently, though I hear their prices might be going up soon, they only cost $200 a month. Now, fair warning, Study.com did ask me to partner with them, so if you use that link in the description to sign up with them, you will get $180 off of your first 3 months, and College Hacked will get some kickback so we can keep making more videos like this. But I was scripting this video long before they approached me. So today we're going to review this amazing resource, see exactly what it can do for you, and trust me, if you like what you see, you'll like it even more for $180 cheaper. I'm going to show you what it looks like to sign up with these guys. We're going to start by education level. We're going to go to their college courses, which are the ones that you care about. And they claim, 1,124 here, but we're really only looking for ones that are going to give us transferable credit. And of those, they're saying 372 here. Based on what exactly you're looking for, the real number comes out to be a little bit smaller. Some of this is focused on helping you prepare for a CLEP exam, like this one right here. But if we're looking at just their straight up online college credit, they're saying 218 with, some other options mixed in there. And they have a lot to choose from. We've got sociology, management, earth science. Let's jump all the way to the end. We've got a lot of computer stuff. We've got art history. Basically, just about every kind of college course you could think of is going to be in here. So you can go to sign up to start paying, and that price is going to run you about $199 per month without discounts. And what you get for that is 2 courses. Well, you can access any courses that you want for that $199, but you can only take 2 final exams. Now, if you want to take more final exams, you can pay an extra $70, and you can see that explained over here in this little Q&A where you're basically paying $70 per exam, and you could take 3 more, which then raises your $200 per month price to about $410 to get 5 college courses or 15 college credits, which is an absolutely phenomenal price. Now, that's far more expensive than Sophia or potentially even CLEP, but the real benefit here is that they have so many courses to choose from. Like, there's this huge library, and they have some really specialized ones. Any degree hacker who's wanting to get 90 credits transferred into their school and then only have to take 30 credits at their school, almost every single person who's aiming for that is going to need something from Study.com. Another really cool thing is that once you sign up, you get access to a dashboard. And if Study.com partners with the college that you've chosen, let's say University of Maine at Presque Isle, they will actually, customize it to show that logo. You can add an advisor from UMPI that they'll, send updates to for you potentially. They'll list the degree you're going for, and they might even list the credits that will transfer from Study.com to UMPI that you can choose from. Now, you should be careful about trusting such a list because the only institution that can say what will and what won't transfer is your school. Sometimes they change policies. Study.com could be wrong or could just be out of date, and so you want to make sure that you're double checking those things. Once you get into the actual program, let's take English 103 here because I haven't started this one. You can scroll down and you can see that they've got quizzes, they've got assignments, they've got a proctored final, and then that gives you the course grade. And of course, if you get a high enough score, then they will recommend credit be transferred to your school. And some of their courses have what's called a placement test. And you can see I haven't really done anything in Psychology 102, but it still says that I'm, 24 out of 118 quizzes of the way through because I took the placement test and scored high enough that they basically said, okay, you don't really need to study these things. We're just going to give you automatic passes on all of these quizzes. So you can see, sprinkled throughout, I've got a bunch of little green check marks that say, yeah, this guy knows his stuff. 9% done, 35% done, 50% done, so on and so forth. Another cool thing about Study.com, up here in the top right, you can see that they mention how many lessons there are, the average lesson length, and they'll typically have a video and a transcript of that video. So depending on how you prefer to learn, you can do it either way. If you're like, working, doing dishes in the evening like I like to do, then you can just hit play and listen to it. And you can even listen to it at a faster than normal speed, especially if it's something, boring, that can help you move through quicker. Or if you prefer to read, you can go through the transcript and see the pictures along the way. One of the things that I think is a little bit more intimidating about study.com is this number that you start off with, this 111 lessons that are each 8 minutes. That's 888 minutes. That comes out to about 15 hours worth of just homework that you're taking in, which I think to a lot of people seems like it's kind of intimidating and kind of a big deal. But at the same time, that's a lot less time than you would spend sitting in lectures and waiting for other people to have discussions or to do class projects or things like that. And so it's still very, very quick comparatively, even if it's not going to be quite as quick as an option like Sophia or taking a CLEP exam that you're already pretty confident in the information for. Plus, if you listen to it on 2 times speed or 1.5 times speed, it gets even faster. So overall, study.com is a really great resource that if you're going to be, hacking your degree to the max, saving as much time, saving as much money as possible, you're probably going to have to use it at some point anyway. And it can be a lot of fun, even if it might seem a little bit intimidating. And if you want help knowing how to use study.com, which study.com courses to take, which college major to pick, which college to pick, any of this kind of stuff so that you can graduate as quickly and inexpensively as possible so you can build a career that you love, sign up for a consultation with my team at the link in the description. We live to help you. This is something we're so passionate about, and we really want to be part of your success story. So hit us up. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking.